Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 essential tips for beginners in Fish It Roblox. So if you just started fishing journey and feeling a bit lost at sea, don't worry, Fish It is huge, but with these 3 secret strategies, you'll be catching rare and epic fish while everyone else is still pulling up tin cans. So the first tip for me is for farming coins. So if you want to have more coins so that you can buy a road or maybe buy fishing boats, the best location if you're a beginner is the Kohana Islands. So from the fishing island, you can just sail out to the Kohana Islands because here you can easily catch lots of fishes and you can also have more coins by fishing in this location. And inside the Kohana Island there is this another location called Kohana Volcano. You can also get lots of coins in these locations and also got a new road called Lava Road by talking to the lava fishermen in here. And then the second tips, if you're wondering how you can improve your road, you need to use ancient stones. So this is the ancient stone. So ancient stone can be used to maximize your road. And if you want to know how you can get it or the best place to get more ancient stone, you need to go to the tropical grove in here. So in tropical grove you can get a lot of ancient stone by fishing inside the tropical grove. You can go fish in here, inside the cave, or up here. So I also get lots of ancient stones, like as you guys can see in here, in the tropical grove. And last one, if you already have the ancient stone and you want to maximize your road, you want to enhance your road, you need to go to another place. It's called esoteric depth. So you can just sail out to the esoteric depths in here, as you can see in here, and you can place an ancient stone to enhance your road. Let me show you. Okay, so I have arrived in the esoteric depth, so you can just head inside. To start enhancing your road, you need to go deep down to the esoteric depth, and here you need to pay for 400 coins to pay for the elevator so that you can go down. Here you can just go inside the elevator and go down. Okay, so once you arrive, don't forget to hold your ancient stone and also choose the road that you want to enhance or you want to improve. Here I'm using a bamboo road, and you can just place the ancient stone in the altar. So just like that, your road will become more powerful. There are lots of ancient kinds, but you can just choose the best one for you here. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.